Hi, I'm Matt from Webbers in Barnstaple and welcome to the video tour for 133 Taw Wharf in Barnstaple. Now, this property we're showing you around today has 5 bedrooms, it's got 3 bathrooms and it's arranged over 4 floors. There's a lot of space for any growing family. Now, one of my favourite rooms is this room that we're stood in today. So you've got open plan living area here with kitchen, dining area and a lovely living room as well. But my favourite thing about this property in particular is this. Now come take a look for yourself. Now for me, Taw Wharf has to be one of my most favourite developments in Barnstaple, mainly due to its location. Now here you've got pretty much everything on your doorstep, including the Targa Trail, which is just behind me. You've got the gym, shops, just literally up the road. As well as that, you've got Barnstaple Town Centre, which you can see in the distance here. Taw Wharf is built by Pierce Homes, so a highly reputable builder, and you can see by the video tour that the quality of finish is absolutely superb throughout. So if this ticks some of your boxes and you want to ask any questions or arrange a viewing, then please do get in touch with us as we'd love to help. Thank you for watching.